Hello everyone. Today we will learn classification and discrimination. So discrimination and classification. What is discriminant? You hear a lot of the time when people are being discriminant based on their colors. Some of them there's whites and blacks cases. So particularly that was kind of a discrimination. What is classification? To put a thing into a class is the basic understanding. But when there is talking about in machine learning or multivariate analysis, discrimination refers to the ability to distinguish between different categories based on their characteristics. And on the other side, you can say, what is classification? Classification is a supervised learning technique in machine learning or a method in multivariate analysis where the model learns to assign a category, or some kind of a label, name, for example, to a new data points based on their past labeled data. So before going through this, I have to consider an example first. Suppose a face recognition example. Face. Suppose there is a people. The main task, you have to classify, to draw a line between them, or to draw a line between them to discriminate these two person, to separate these two person. So if you have some characteristics or some kind of ideology to draw a line between them, a boundary between them, that will known as discrimination. Say person A and person B. Person A has just person A has taller than person B. That could be a important factor, or you can say that important um, category to discriminate between them. This feature, taller, is the separating thing between them in this particular case. Now, the second task, this is the first task, to discriminate. The second task, to classify. That means to put a label of this to unknown person. Suppose I named his as A, but I don't know what is A exactly. Suppose I say that this is a Isa. This person is Isa. This person is Ivan. When I put this label, you can say that label, put this label, then it will be turned into classification. Together, what is discriminant and classification? See, discrimination and classification are multivariate techniques concerned with the separating distinct set of objects. You can consider this is a set of objects. These two are the items in these objects, and allocating these objects to predefined groups or predefined labels, just labeled like this one. Consider these two are the labels predefined already. You have to put one of them into one of the classes. This is one class, this is another class. So this is actually what is discrimination and classification. They work really side by side in practical situation, like in face recognition, when you have the discriminant power separating both of them, the next task will directly put into the classification. When you just classify them as Isha and Ivan, then it will be also provide the classification. So discrimination and classification work side by side. And what is discrimination and classification? Discrimination and classification are multivariate techniques concerned with the separating distinct set of objects, allocating new objects to predefined group. Thank you very much.